Welcome to the world of freelancing, where the boundaries of 9-to-5 jobs are shattered and the power to control your work life is in your hands. Today's topic of discussion revolves around Fiverr, a global online marketplace offering tasks and services, beginning at a cost of $5 per job performed, from which it gets its name. Starting your freelancing journey on Fiverr is as simple as pie. The first step is signing up. Create an account on Fiverr by providing your email address. Once that's done, confirm your email address and you're ready to dive into the world of freelancing. The next step involves creating a seller profile. This is an integral part of your journey, as your profile is the first impression clients get about you. It should be genuine, clear, and should reflect your personality and skills. From your professional info to your education and any certifications you might have, everything goes in here. Now comes the part where you showcase your skills, the gig creation. A gig is the service that you sell on Fiverr. From graphic designing to content writing, whatever your skill set may be, there's a place for it on Fiverr. Create a gig that details the services you offer. Remember, clarity and precision are key. Your gig should reflect what you can do and what the client can expect. Once your gig is live, it's time to wait for your first client. This might take some time, but patience is a virtue every freelancer should have. Now, when a client contacts you, it's crucial to communicate effectively. Understand their requirements, set clear expectations, and deliver your best. Completing orders and receiving positive reviews will boost your visibility on Fiverr, attracting more clients. It's a cycle of good work leading to good reviews, leading to more work. To summarize, starting as a freelancer on Fiverr involves signing up, creating a compelling seller profile, setting up your gig, communicating effectively with clients, and delivering quality work to earn positive reviews. Remember, freelancing on Fiverr is all about showcasing your skills, communicating effectively, and delivering quality work. It's about turning your passion into your profession and earning from the comfort of your home. So, if you're ready to take control of your work life, Fiverr is a fantastic platform to start your freelancing journey. It's a world full of opportunities where your skills are your currency. Dive in and start your journey towards becoming a successful freelancer today. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of freelancing on Fiverr. Until next time, keep hustling and remember, your skills are your biggest asset.